Good evening everyone, welcome back to our 101 poems series, poems written by authors of Manipur. Today we are on poem number 7, Our Days Are Numbered, written by Tayanjam Bijoy Kumar Singh. I got this poem from Tamna, Northeast Writers Forum Manipur chapter, which was published in January of 2016. Our days are numbered, crumpled and crippled, beaten and battered, squeezed and smashed, cornered and captured, cut and clipped, honestly lies dying, fret and flattened, nurtured and nourished, pampered and praised, reared and respected, swaying and swinging, bribery grows stronger, shouting and swearing, preaching and promising, charming and cheating, smiling and swindling, sweeping and stealing, leaders fool people. In the accursed land, starved mothers are saying, time is bad, don't keep crying my dear daughter, don't keep shouting my precious son, come running as fast as you can. Should the pang of hunger trouble you, give a radiant smile, my dear daughter. Should the pang of hunger trouble you, laugh your heads off, my precious son. Run, my dear daughter, run. Run, my precious son, run. Run, my children, run. Run for your life, run. Run as fast as you can. Soothing with indignation. Master thieves are punishing petty thieves. Humans have turned into demons. Demons have defeated God. Devil citing scriptures and delivering sermons on honesty and public morality, says the withered and wrinkled mother, weathered with woes, her lachrymose eyes pleading for mercy. Listen, my children, listen, our days are numbered. This is a poem, Our Days Are Numbered, written by Tayanjam Bijoy Kumar Singh. Clearly it shows about Manipur, a very beautiful poem showing the reality of Manipur at the time when he had written this poem. So right now I had come for cycling and I just took a break. Keep tuning in. Let me know which poems you like and do pass on more poems. I would love to learn more and more and share with you. So thank you, and let me share a little bit of where I am right now. This is a lake called Inspiration Lake, and you can see a flower here which I like, and this is the lake, and you can hear the insects at the background. It's evening today. All right, thank you, bye-bye.